Okay, in this math lesson, we're going to be working on solving story problems using input and output tables. So the Minnesota standard, the math standard is 3.2.1.1. I can apply input and output rules in real world problems. So in other words, we're going to be looking at story problems and we're going to be using an input output table to help us solve that. So consider this story. Each child wears 2 mittens. Consider that we might need to find out how many mittens would 3 children have. And we can use a table to help us solve that using the input-output rule. So if we have 3 children, we would make a table that has 1 child, 2 children, 3 children. And we can draw a picture to help us. That can sometimes help us too. Then what we would do was, for 1 child, there would be 2 mittens. So think about how many mittens would 2 children have? Okay, if you said 4, then you were right. So for 1 child, there would be 2 mittens. For 2 children, there would be 4 mittens. So think about how many mittens there would be for 3 children. If you said 6, then you would be right. So looking at this table, you would come up with a rule. And the rule would tell you that for every 1 child, there are 2 mittens. And so if you had 10 children, you would know how many mittens there would be. So what's the rule? For every child, there are 2 mittens. So the rule is doubling. Or you could also say times 2. Which is the same as doubling. Today, your link off is a Google form. You will need to make sure that you're signed into your Active Directory. Your email, student number, and password will be needed to do that. So what I would like you to do is do the link off practice. It's very much like this lesson, except it does not use mittens.